Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix language skills with Babbel easy tutorial step by step clearly. Download the Babbel app from your device's app store. Open the app once it's installed. Select your preferred language from the list offered. Create an account by signing up with your email or linking your Facebook or Google account. Choose your current language proficiency level. Take a short placement test if prompted to ensure accurate course recommendations. Explore the course catalog to find lessons tailored to your needs. Select a lesson that interests you, focusing on conversational skills, vocabulary, or grammar. Engage with interactive exercises designed to reinforce what you've learned. Take advantage of the speech recognition feature to improve your pronunciation. Practice regularly by setting a daily study goal in the app. Utilize the review manager to revisit words and phrases you've previously learned. Join a live tutoring session if available to enhance your speaking skills in real time. Keep track of your progress using the app's progress tracker. Adjust your learning settings based on your preferences, such as notifications or lesson reminders. Explore cultural notes within the app to gain context for language nuances. Remember, consistency is key to language learning. Make it part of your daily routine. Engage with fellow learners through community forums if available. Continue to challenge yourself by taking higher-level lessons as you progress. Enjoy the journey of learning and actively use your new skills in real-life conversations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.